Hello dear children, let's learn computer, and today we will learn chapter 3 operating system Windows 7. Today I am going to teach you how you can create a folder, remove a folder and restore a folder. And for creating a folder, first you have to click on the File Explorer folder which is on your taskbar. So you will left click on it. So this screen will open. Then you have to select the location on which you want to create a folder. Suppose you want to create a folder in the document section. Here you have to click on new folder which is on menu bar. Just left click on it. You can see the folder appeared in your screen. Now we have to give name to this folder. For example, I am giving class 4th homework title to this folder. Once you have typed the name for this folder, you have to press enter key from your keyboard. Once you press enter key, your folder is created. Now we will learn how you can copy this folder from this location to another location. So to copy the folder, you will just right click and click on copy option. Then I am going to copy this on my desktop folder. So I have opened my desktop folder. Now again right click and click on paste. So you can see the folder is copied here. So first click on copy, then paste on the location that you want to copy that folder. Now I will show you how you can move this folder from one location to another location. So for that you have to right click on the folder and then you will click on cut option. Then I am going to move this folder again to my desktop. So I am clicking on desktop option and I will right click again and click on paste. You can see the folder is moved here. Now if we go back to the document folder, you will see that the folder is removed from here and it is moved to my desktop folder. So this is how we move a folder from one location to another location. I hope that you have understood this. And if you want to delete the folder, you will just right click on it and then click on delete. The folder will be removed from the location. And if you want to restore this folder, if you want to restore the folder again, then you have to click on the recycle bin which is on our desktop. There you can find your folder. You have to right click on it and click on restore. Once you click on restore, your folder will be restored to the location where it was stored. So it was stored on my desktop option and you can see that this folder appeared in front of us. So this is how we restore our folder. So children, I hope that you have understood all these options. Take care children. God bless you all and have a good day.